In June 2025, the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Edwin Lagat, formed a clandestine police unit, which is stationed in Hurlingham, Nairobi, formerly known as the Heart Center. This police station is not gazetted. It is called the Black Site, as it's popularly known. It has an armory, a clandestine budget, and a multi-rank police command with Mr. Robert Linyiru Gituma serving as the OSPD. There are other ranks of SSP, OCS, Deputy OCS, OC Crime, and 25 rogue officers in the rank of Constable. This unit operates under private supervision of a private citizen, Mr. Cleve Mutiso. Mr. Mutiso is always in the field brandishing firearms and threatening small-scale traders, doing illegal inspections, ordinarily the duties of the Energy Police Station in Kawi House, Nairobi. Between June and October 2025, this vigilante group operating with impunity raided Nairobi, Kiambu, Kajiado, and Machakos small-scale gas retailers using private vehicles and private lorries. They took away with them over 200,000 gas cylinders. No single inventory was done, no OB entry was recorded, and nobody was taken to court. Where are these 200,000 gas cylinders?